Hello and welcome to Fix It Fast channel. Have you ever found yourself locked out of your own Wi-Fi network because you forgot the password? No worries. You can easily retrieve it using command prompt. First, open command prompt as an administrator by pressing Win+S, typing CMD and selecting Run as administrator. Once you're in, type netsh wlan show profiles to list all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to. Find the network you need, then type
to list all saved Wi-Fi networks. Type c/netsh wlan show profiles. To reveal Wi-Fi password for a specific SSID, type c/netsh wlan show profiles. Name equals network name, key equals clear.
Find the network you need, then type netsh wlan show profile name, Wi-Fi name key clear, replacing Wi-Fi name with the actual network name. Scroll down to the security settings and there it is, your Wi-Fi password under key content. This method is super handy for connecting other devices without the hassle of remembering passwords. Just remember to use it responsibly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit like. Thanks for watching.